Alright, so today the video I'm going to be showing you is captured footage of some harassment that was going on, some noise harassment, noise campaign, I guess you can call it, from the neighbors over at my dad's place, not where I stay, but where I visit. Last weekend on the 27th, around 2 a.m. when everybody's trying to sleep in the house, these people they have this cover story that apparently they're having a lot of family over because someone's sister died, but these people have been doing strange stuff like all the neighbors around us constantly for several years now. And, they're screaming, they're laughing, and they're throwing stuff, and they're slamming stuff, and arguing, and doing a bunch of crazy, unnecessary stuff, getting the dogs all riled up, and, disturbing the peace. And I recorded it, and this is what happened. Do you hear that? It's 2 a.m. right now. Everybody in this house is trying to go to sleep. And right across over the fence, there's just this loud talking between what sounds like a group of people or something. This has never happened before. So I just walked in from the garage. I was in there before going to bed. And I just now noticed this as I walked in, but this has been going on for 30 minutes apparently. And I'm not sure just how well the phone camera is picking it up. But it's very loud and you can hear it. It sounds like 3 or 4 or 5 people. Do you think that's real? I think so. Maybe. Yes, it's something about they had like a family gathering because sister died. Yeah. It sounds like they're happy. Yeah. And also I saw smoke coming out of their backyard earlier. Well, it's not really happiness. There was a big old fat that also was talking and stuff. And it got Meg all excited. 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 Yeah. Wow. I don't know if you heard all that, but I'll put subtitles if you didn't. You can hear them with their demonic laughter. Well, I guess I'm just gonna do this for the rest of the night. You mean to tell me with laughter like that they're mourning the death of somebody? Mourning my ass. Yeah, because I was thinking about pulling the blinds over, and they saw me looking at her. That's why she laughed, because they're watching. But that's what they're trying to get me to do, so that they'll get mad at me. Yeah, opening up the door and good for yeah. They're just trying to turn them against me. Yeah. That's why I'm recording. It's the best weapon against evidence. are sick because you're laying right there. And they're doing this, just constantly watching you and trying to get your reaction. Just because you're right there.
Whenever I heard them do this, I just put on a smirk and I just went back to the headphones. Because all they want is a reaction.
For real. But it'd be good if you could turn the light off and pull the blinds over.
Yeah, turn this way off.
And then pull the blinds over so they can't look at you.
Alright.
Can you do that?
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
I don't know, that'll probably make a noise. But yeah, they just pathetic.
Yeah. It's really just annoying.
Yeah.
They do this just to annoy us.
Yeah. And then once we wake up, and then Dad's probably gonna be like, oh, turn off the light. And then he's gonna say that it was probably nothing and stuff like that.
We'll just turn it back on.
Yeah.
Now it's back on. Maybe we want to turn it back off. Then we'll turn it back off.
Yeah.
Then maybe we'll put it back on though.
Yes.
You could just do that, yeah.
It's nothing. You can go back.
You see, they're getting the dog all excited, trying to get her to bark.